Hello, I'm Berkay again, Sales and Marketing Director of Yıldırım Elektronik. Today we are broadcasting from a Research and Development Institute at Turkey, from which go live to talk about Tübitak ATAM and our planar and cylindrical near-field antenna measurement system. The Tübitak Antenna Test and Research Center, in short ATAM, is a research center established in 2019 to meet the measurement infrastructure and needs in the electromagnetics, radar cross-section and antenna areas to appropriate time and cost, to provide antenna and radar cross-sectional area measurement services. Additional, with its high-skilled expert staff, it's enabling antenna prototype design and production activities. Tübitak ATAM campus is the largest electromagnetic measurement infrastructure in Turkey. At Tübitak ATAM, electromagnetic measurement infrastructures, rooms and measurement equipments are developed, as well as measurement services are provided. It's a technology base that can meet all the demands of the public and private sector with its measurement capabilities and competent research specialists in the field of employment. Tübitak ATAM measurement infrastructure can provide service for both domestic and international needs. You can get in touch with Tübitak for your all design, test and verification requirements. The planning of the facility began many years ago, and its contract has been signed in December 2017. The system can perform planar and cylindrical near-field antenna measurement, a frequency range between 500 MHz to 40 GHz. It has a capability to work on maximum 6 by 6 by 6 meter and a weight of 4-ton antennas. The planar scanner of system is also quite big, as 9 by 9 meter. Total dimensions of the facility is 17 by 18 meter footprint and 14 meter height, which has a 7 by 7 meter main gate. Planar and cylindrical near-field antenna measurement facility of Tübitak started to operate in Gebze at mid of 2019. When the facility was being built, world's leading suppliers has been preferred so as for the facility to ensure the highest quality and best performing components in realizing this extraordinary, functional and beautiful facility. We are proud that Yıldırım Elektronik's local leadership has been awarded, along with our partners Albatros projects for the shielding and subcomponents, Emerson and Cumming anechoic chambers for the absorber materials, and antenna system solutions for the electromechanical and measurement system. This outstanding facility has powerful measurement capabilities with many different subcomponents. However, today we will talk about its anechoic environment through considering the absorber materials that we are in place and which give us this fascinating visual show. Mr. Hüseyin Yiğit, who is the project manager of the facility and the senior researcher of Tübitak, will tell us more about it. But firstly, we would like to use this opportunity to express our gratitude to Mr. Hüseyin and the whole Tübitak team for giving us this chance and being here today. Thank you.
Hello, I am Hüseyin Yiğit. I am a senior researcher at Tübitak since 2012 and the project manager of planar and cylindrical near-field antenna measurement system. We have established this amazing infrastructure in 2019 and we are providing measurements for Tübitak's own needs as well as domestic and international market demands in the field of antenna measurement. While planning this project, we have put in a lot of care into picking the leading solution for our facility. After a long period of research and planning, this planar and cylindrical near-field antenna measurement system project contract has been signed in 2017 and has started to operate in the midst of 2019. Of course, There are lots of details we can go into talk about. However, today I will be talking about how critical it is to choose the appropriate absorber materials for your anechoic chamber environments and how lucky we are to have chosen for Emerson & Cumming anechoic chambers absorbers. I am sure this fantastic visual show is reflecting on your screens. Before making a deeper look into the additional technical details, I would like to tell the story of the symmetrical appearance displayed in this magnificent anechoic chamber in the first place. The absorbers were mounted on the walls of the chamber with Emerson & Cumming plate and the rail system instead of simply gluing the absorbers by using chemicals. Professional glue applications can be preferred, but there is a risk to degrade with time as the environment changes. By mounting them on the walls mechanically, we agreed that they stay stationary and maintain their initial position with a proper alignment. During the installation, we experienced that footprint tolerances of absorbers are a very important reason to consider in such large infrastructures. The working frequency range in our facility was planned between 500 MHz to 40 GHz. However, Emerson & Cumming anechoic chambers wave VHB absorber series has the ability to perform well at around 100 GHz, which amazed us. We are very comfortable with our choice, which gave us a great chance on performance if we will decide to increase our frequency range up to 100 GHz. We are very happy that the current absorber solutions that are currently in place made our infrastructure ready for future upgrades and investments. Should we have proceeded with different solutions instead, we might have been obligated to refurbish the anechoic chamber with new absorber material in case we wanted to meet high frequency abilities. But now, seeing we have chosen for the WaveSorb VHB absorber series of Emerson & Cumming anechoic chambers, we have a very flexible setup in hand through which we can perform almost up to 100 GHz without any problem. At now, we know that we are responsible for our own future and very sensitive for health and environment safety regulations. Even the tiny steps we take today will have great impact upon our future. That's why we are focused on using products that are REACH and RoHS compliant. Emerson & Cumming products fully comply with both REACH and RoHS, so we know our health and future are in safe hands. On the other hand, we made a thorough analysis in order to comply with fire retardant features of absorbers that we are using in our system. In addition to technical specifications, Emerson & Cumming anechoic chambers provided real tests to us during the factory acceptance visits. In case any fire hazard occurs, thanks to their chemical composition, Emerson & Cumming anechoic chambers absorbers are incapable of catching fire and thus burn. This prevents any disaster from happening and helps to stop the spread of stations and such. Finally, I would like to mention about walkable absorbers right now and how important they are on the one hand in terms of mechanical strength with a load-bearing capacity of plus-minus 200 kg per square meter and still being dimensionally stable and safe, and on the other hand their electrostatic discharging coating on top, which means there are no damage to network analyzers, possible usage and performance. Isn't this fantastic? Again, thanks very much to Yıldırım Electronic and Emerson Cumming anechoic chambers to provide us with this profitable solution and their professional services, which results in this jewel of multi-purpose anechoic chamber. While completing my words for today, I am glad to mention that Tübitak is ready to cooperate with your all design, testing and verification services with its hundreds of highly expertized and skilled staff that are available to discuss your needs. Do not hesitate to contact us for all your requirements. Thank you.